In today's lesson, we're going to be building on our knowledge of expanding brackets and simplifying or collecting like terms. So we should remember the distributive law, in which case we take the number outside and distribute it to the numbers inside the brackets. So 5 times x would be 5x, and then 5 times -5, -25, plus 8. So what we've done is we've expanded the brackets out. We can collect the like terms, in which case there's only one x term here, and then we can simplify our -25 plus 8. So we're left with 5x minus 17. And that's all we need to do for that one. Let's have a look at a little bit more complex ones. So essentially, in this example here, we've got really just two sets of brackets we need to expand, in which case we hopefully just need to collect some like terms. So again, let's use our distributive law to expand out our brackets. So 4 times 2p will be 8p, plus 4 times 3q is going to be 12q. That's dealt with our first lot of brackets. Then we're going to go with plus, and we do the same thing again. 2 times p, 2p, minus 2, so it's minus because it's going to be 2 times by -2q, so that's going to be 4q. Okay, we can simplify that. We can collect our like terms in p. So if we look at that, we've got 8p plus 2p, so we've got 10p, and then collect our like terms for q. So 12q minus 4q is going to be 8q. Pretty simple. Now, hopefully with the distributive law, you're getting used to that, so you don't always need to include the arrow. So on the next one, we're just going to work straight through the problem. So we've got 2 by x, so 2x plus 4y plus 6x minus 3y. So I've worked through that one pretty quick. If you need to go, if you're not sure, just go back and have a look at the other examples and we'll go through. So once we get to this point here though, we just again need to select our like terms. So in this case we've got 2x and 6x, so that's 8x. And our y terms, so 4y minus 3y equals y. Pretty simple. Okay, let's have a look at just one last example. So this time we've got x times y, so we can evaluate that to be xy plus 4 times x, so we're going to go 4x. So just a reminder with that, we always put the coefficient out in front, so the number out in front. So we've dealt with the first lot of brackets. Second lot of brackets, we've got x times y, so yx minus 2y, sorry, because we have y times by -2. Now this one is, it doesn't look like we have like terms, but remember, xy and yx are actually the same things, because what that is essentially saying is that it's x times by y and y times by x. So we could rearrange both of those to be xy. So that means we've got 2xy plus 4x minus 2y.